Hello, hello. I am just jumping on here because my Young Living box came today, and it's been a while since I've unboxed my order here on Facebook, and I think it's always fun to go through and share some of the goodies in my wellness box. So I'm just going to set this down here, and I'm going to get started and just kind of show you the things. Every month I get different stuff, and I'll just show you what I got this month in case anyone's interested. So I got a pack of the seedling wipes. These are amazing for makeup remover, but they're also just great. My son is on the autism spectrum, and sometimes, you know, bathroom calls for a wipe. So the seedling wipes are amazing. They smell so good. We just love them. So that was in there. The next thing is a box of Ninja Red, which I'm super excited. If you are a Young Living person and you love your Ninja Red, I usually get it, get this open here. You can see, I usually get it in bottles, but in the winter, see, it comes in little packets. In the winter, it can freeze and the bottles can break. So they give you a warning and tell you really should get the packets in the winter, because if the bottles freeze and break, you're bumming. And I didn't want to be bumming. So I love this. I drink, this is a 2-ounce packet. I drink between 1 and 2 ounces a day, and it's chocked full of antioxidants. And you guys, especially in these winter months, this helps keep me above the wellness line. And I love to throw some vitality oils in there with lemon and lime, and there's one awesome blend called Red Shot that has cinnamon, and it's kind of spicy and it tastes super good. So I throw that in there as well. Let me see what else I got. I got Lennon some KidScent Mighty Bites. He's been using the KidScent enzymes, I think they're called Mightyzymes, for quite a while, and those really help with just his digestion and just happy tummy, keeping him with a happy tummy. And we were using some other vitamins, and just as I've researched and learned more and more about Young Living supplements and the way that they combine things, they only use the natural vitamins, which our bodies can apparently absorb better than synthetics. And then they add essential oils to their supplements, and they have done research and found that it like ups the absorption rate in your body 60 to 85%. So that's pretty cool. Like if you're taking a vitamin and it's cheap, there's a good chance you might be not actually absorbing much of it. So we switched from the other vitamins that we used to use, and we're going to try these Mighty Bites. So I'll have to let you know how that goes. I got a little back order slip telling me that my Super B is on back order, and I love the Super B supplement, but that was another thing that I ordered that will be coming later. But that is super great for energy, and B vitamins are so great for just stress levels and things like that. I got my hubby some more of the Shutron 3-in-1 wash. He really loves this. It smells super good. If you haven't smelled the Shutron oil, it's a very manly man smell. It smells really good. He likes it. And then this is great. He can use it for shampoo. He uses it for face wash, body wash, all the things. So easy for a guy. Probably should have got this all out of the tubes. All right, what else do I got? Oh, I got some things free this month, because you always get freebies with Young Living, which is really nice. One of the freebies was Life 9, which is their probiotic. I use it and order it anyway. In fact, I think I just ordered a bottle a couple months ago. So it's perfect because I'm almost out, and this is just a great probiotic. Also keeps your belly happy, and you guys, so much of our immunity and our health starts in our gut, and so keeping that healthy is always good. I got a Young Living calendar because, hey, it's January and I didn't have a new wall calendar, and theirs is so pretty. And because I love Young Living, I needed that. So I threw that in there, and the rest is oils. So let me get my oil tubes out, and I can talk about these oils with you. So I did an iTovi scan for Lennon and I. And if you're not familiar with what an iTovi scan is, it uses the same technology that a treadmill uses when you put your hands on those things and it goes through your body and reads your heart rate and different things like that. It uses that same technology to kind of run through and tell what markers in your body are out of range and what products might help bring those in. So I like to do that for Lennon and I every once in a while just to see, hey, what can we be using and what do we have that maybe today is a good day to use. And a couple new oils came up that I didn't have, so I bought those. But first, I'll go through, my friend wanted a Thieves Vitality, so I threw that on my order for her. If you're not familiar with Thieves, man, you gotta be. You should be. It's awesome in the diffuser this time of year. It's great in a tea, just to keep your throat happy and your immune system happy and all those things. And it's cinnamon and clove and all these super powerful, amazing oils. So definitely a good one to have. And so I ordered my friend a bottle of that. And then I am trying Petitgrain for the first time. And this came up on my scan. And I believe it's good for, trying to remember, nervous system, things with the brain, memory, different things. So I just thought it was interesting that it came up and I didn't have it. So I'm like, ooh, good excuse to get a new oil. Citrus Fresh was free this month. It was one of the freebies. Great for diffusing, makes your house smell amazing, very uplifting. Also good to get sticky stuff off of, sticky residue off. All the citrus oils are good for that. And Digize was also free. Digize Vitality, man, this oil, tummy troubles, digestion, helping with digestion, great to have on hand. I just rub it on my stomach or rub it on Lennon's stomach. I'll put it under my tongue, although doesn't taste the best, but I've been doing this for 4.5 years and I'm completely used to it now. So the taste doesn't bother me as much, but that was free. And then Longevity was free, which is a new oil for me as well. And this has so many amazing oils. It has thyme, orange, clove, and frankincense. And it's all those oils are really high in antioxidants. So really great for anti-aging and just overall youth, wellness, that kind of thing. So they do make a Longevity Vitality, and they also make a supplement with these oils in there. So you can take it internally, but also good. Those oils are good for immune boosting. So just another great one for this time of year. And then the last oil that I got was on Lennon's scan. And that one comes in a little thing I'm going to open, but it actually, the name of this oil is so funny because when it comes up on someone's scan, you're like, I don't even want to tell you that this is on your scan, but it's Common Sense. And you know what, guys? My kid has autism, and you know, a little help in the brain department and any oils that would help with just that kind of stuff is good. So when this came up, I didn't have it, and I was like, hey, let's throw that on the order too, and let's try it, because I feel like when we've done those scans, it's always funny, the things that come up, but I just decided, hey, let's try it. Let's use the oils for the month and see how it works. And we've been seeing really good results. So that's what I figure is I'll do the scan. I don't understand the technology, but I know that lots of people rave about the results. So we've been doing them and we've been using those products, and it's been going really well. So I have a scanner. If anybody ever wants a scan, let me know. And yeah, that's my monthly wellness box. So lots of fun free stuff, and pretty sad that my Super Bee isn't in here, but I know it'll be here soon. Young Living is really great about sending out their back orders. And I'm really excited to have my Ninja Red because my bottle is almost gone. Yeah. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye.